Hello!
Hello, hello!
Magandang araw po sa inyo wherever you are in the world.
Magandang gabi kung kayo po ay nasa US, nasa ibang
Lupalop
ng mundo.
Magandang araw na lang.
Magandang araw.
Oo. So, it's us again, Shine and June, coming to you live from NC, USA. I know it's a little bit late. It's 10:15 p.m. here.
How are you enjoying your weekend so far? Sana po hindi kayo masyadong naapektuhan ng bagyo. And balita ko may parating na naman daw. So let's keep on praying keep
for
on
everyone's safety.
Yeah, and this too shall pass, ika nga.
Oo. So ngayon, real talk lang tayo ngayon.
Real talk.
Oo, real talk. Hindi, kasi tag dito, it has been a very busy day for us sa unit kanina sa trabaho. Like, super short staff kami, kulang ang nurses, kulang ang nursing assistant. So, talagang we just lean on with each other. Kumbaga, lang kami, tulungan lang talaga. Kasama yung mga kabaro namin, mga ka-nurses, at saka yung NA namin na nag-iisa, working for the whole unit with 35 patients. So, wow. Talagang, napasok lang din sa mind ko kanina na kasi life is hard. I mean, hindi madali kahit hindi sa trabaho, sa personal life, sa mga nangyayari sa atin. Hindi madali ang buhay. So parang may kanya-kanyang struggle. So kanina lang yung parang naging insight ko lang kanina is like maging mabuti kang katrabaho.
Sige,
kasi it's like let's work with passion and kindness no matter what rank we are, whether we are a charge nurse or superior ka ba or nasa baba ka. Let's just siguro natin yung sarili natin na pantay-pantay tayo. Kasi colleague. Kasi sa huli naman tayong lahat empleyado pa rin, 'di ba? Maskin sa business din. I mean, kahit na gaano ka kataas, kahit na ganong rank pa or kung how much you earn na in the business, may mga tao talagang, alam mo yun, yung hindi nila ipapafeel sa'yo kung ano na yung estado nila sa buhay. Kasi at the end naman hindi naman tayo tagapagmana.
Tsaka, they have their own right to privacy din, syempre.
Oo.
Personal nila yun Nasa sa kanila na lang yun. At siguro, maswerte ka na lang din kung may i-reveal sila sa'yo. At ideally, hindi naman talaga dapat pinag-uusapan yung finances, mga plano, mga next move. Hindi naman talaga yun nire-reveal kahit saan. Kumbaga, gulatin mo na lang sila kung anong meron ka.
Oo. So, matuto tayong maging humble. Like, we should avoid being toxic or stirring up drama just to gain favor. Kasi, di ba, may mga iba, hindi natin alam kung anong pinagdadaanan sa buhay, di ba? Mamaya konting, may masabi lang tayo, bigla na lang yan silang maiyak. Kasi, syempre, meron nga silang pinagdadaanan, di ba? Parang, don't be the reason someone feels unmotivated or someone feels uncomfortable or someone feels like they are inferior. Kasi malaking impact sa tao yung mga nasasabi natin and mga nagagawa natin.
Tama.
And then also, it's not just about being good co-worker. Parang kailangan din natin i-acknowledge yung kanilang mga efforts, make them feel at home,
make them feel appreciated.
Build a like family vibe kasi kumbaga in that way mabibigyan natin sila ng time to shine. Kasi minsan may mga ibang tao lang din na alam nyo yun. Yung parang naghihintay lang din sila na ma-appreciate niya sila.
Mhm.
'Di ba?
Tama. Yung iba may mga silent worker lang eh.
At saka may mga iba, may mga silent battles din silang kinakaharap sa buhay.
Tama. Magaling lang magdala, kumbaga.
Oo. So, tandaan lang natin palagi na lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang, may sari-sarili tayong laban sa buhay. Kaya piliin natin na maging mabait, maging mabuti sa mga co-workers natin. Kasi, ang tawag dito, minsan kasi yung mga little things na nagagawa natin, hindi natin alam, nagbibigay ng malaking impact sa kanila. Like, parang katulad kanina, ay yung isang kasamahan ko, back to back yung kanyang admission sa trabaho. Like, nung time na yon, medyo nakaluwag ako sa trabaho ko din. So, I offered myself, I offered help. Nang sa ganun, alam mo yun, yung parang makatulong din kasi kumbaga you're in a unit, parang you're considered as a family. So, syempre dapat when you considered someone as a family, you need to treat them right. You need to treat those people same as the way you treat your family members.
Or the same way how you want to be treated.
Yes. So, yun lang. Ano lang, kumbaga parang in those little things na nangyayari sa atin day to day, not just sa business nga din namin, sa trabaho na meron kami, you can learn from those things.
Yeah, mas masarap yung pakiramdam mo na you work as a team, you feel you belong to the team. You're part of the team.
And speaking of a team, na ko tuloy yung kasi yung sa yung dito sa business kasi namin, we have this community wherein I don't know if we have mentioned from our previous
vlogs
go live that lahat is naghahatakan pataas. Like, if I mentioned it before, yung mga business colleagues ko pa yung talagang nag-encourage sa akin to do this, to take this challenge. So, like, kumbaga parang walang iwanan.
Tama.
So,
win-win, kumbaga.
Oo, win-win. Walang iwanan. Kumbaga, lahat tayo is mag-move forward, lahat tayo is going to, the same path. Going to achieve success all together.
Yan nga. Tama yun. There's saying that united we stand, divided we fall.
Oo, ganun.
Sabay-sabay tayong
aangat. Oo, ganon. So, katulad lang din sa takbo ng buhay natin. I mean, we should be surrounded or surround yourself with like-minded people. Kasi those people are the ones who will lift you up.
And they will be the one to bring out the best in you.
Syempre. Yes.
It's a challenge kanila.
It's a challenge kanila. They will not what you call this? Yung parang put you into something na hindi mo kaya at hindi ka nila susuportahan. So, that's one thing that we...
Napakasarap ng ganun pakiramdam.
That's one of the other things that we really appreciate with this online business community that we have. So, yun lang po muna for tonight. But, by the way, magbibigay lang ako sa inyo ng sneak peek. Sneak peek ba? I think that will be Monday or Tuesday. I will be having another live interview. But, this time, this is something big for me. Kasi,
sino ba yan?
I was able to get a schedule with one of the inspiring couple in our business. I know alam ko siguro na i-share ko na siya sa business page and dito sa personal page ko. But wait till you hear their story and how they are really thriving in this business community. So I can't wait to have them
so excited.
Oo, so talaga as in talagang kasi napaka-busy nila, sobrang busy kasi maraming kumukuha ng schedule o maraming invitations sa kanila. So I'm so grateful that I was given a schedule kasi yung may binigay na schedule sa akin, but there are medyo malalayo pa, and then luckily nag-message ulit, meron kami open kami for next week around Tuesday yata. So I grab it and I really can't wait to share that invitation soon, siguro by Monday or Tuesday morning.
That's good. That's good.
So, yun lang po for tonight. So, tandaan po natin, maging mabuti po tayong katrabaho. Hindi lang bilang employee, syempre maging mabuting tao.
Whenever given the chance, choose to be right.
Choose to be good. Choose to be kind. So, yun lang po for tonight. I hope you will have a blessed evening. And then,
Happy Sunday.
Blessed Sunday sa Pilipinas. So, maraming salamat po. God bless and see you tomorrow.